In this video, I'm going to teach you 4 simple solutions on how to fix the both shift keys are not working in your keyboard, in your physical or built-in keyboard here in your Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's begin. First method is that here at the start, make a right click, scroll up and click on settings. You can also press Windows key and I key together on your keyboard, and in that way you'd be able to bring up the settings. Okay, so here at the settings, please navigate to the left pane and locate for the option called accessibility. The moment you click on it, you need to scroll down here on the list, proceed to the third category, which is interaction, and locate for a keyboard. So here at the keyboard, you would be able to see 3 type of keys, which are sticky, filter, and toggle keys. So these keys are very important and it's very crucial to disable this one. So disable that, okay, because it has a great factor. That's why you face an error. Okay, so you need to turn this off. So navigate here at the switch, turn it off, mark it off here. And once you have ensured that you have disabled this 3 keys, you need to close the window and try to press your shift key again and check if it's working. However, if not, then we need to navigate to the second solution. The second solution would be we need to bring up our settings again. So by that, here at the start, make a right click, scroll up and click on settings. This time here at the settings, you need to navigate to the left pane again, but this time you need to locate for time and language. And here you need to locate for language and region. Click on it. So here at the language and region, you need to ensure that the Windows display language is English US and you have ensured that you have added English US here. So in case if you haven't set, if you have set another language here aside from English US, you need to go with add a language and search for English, and then you need to proceed for the locating for English US. Okay, in my case, it has been grayed out since I have already installed it. In fact, I have set it as my display language. But in your case, if not, then click on it, click on next, and then install that. And then you need to add it here to your Windows 11 by navigating to the 3 dots and click on this move up. Okay, so the moment you have the click on it, you would be able to set it as your display language or as your language here in your Windows 11. In that way, you'll be able to fix the problem. So just have to check if it's the problem has been worked. However, if not, then we need to move on to the third solution. But before we continue, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe and give this video a thumbs up so you won't miss any of our upcoming tutorial. We really appreciate your support. Sorry. So here you need to navigate to the start again, make a right click, scroll up and click on the device manager. Now here at the device manager, you need to locate for your keyboard driver. So first go with the keyboards, click on this forward arrow key and you will be able to see your keyboard driver. Make a right click and click on update driver. Now this window will opt you to choose 2 options. Please proceed with search automatically for drivers. And if your computer says that the best drivers for your device are already installed, you need to close the window and this time make a right click, go with update driver, but this time please choose for browse my computer for drivers manually and go with let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Select your keyboard driver, click on next to reinstall or update it in your Windows 11. So just have to restart your computer. Once you've restarted it, try to press or check if your shift key is now working. However, if not, then we need to move on to our fourth and last solution, and that is here at the start, make a right click, scroll up and click on device manager. So here at the device manager, you need to select the keyboards again. Click on this forward arrow key beside to it and go with your keyboard driver. Make a right click, but this time you need to go with uninstall device. So click on uninstall and it will ask you to restart your computer. Just restart your computer. Once you've restarted it, you would be able to reinstall that again. Okay? So in that way, you would be able to fix the problem. So those are the 4 simple solutions on how to fix the both shift keys are not working in your Windows 11 keyboard. If those solutions had helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day everyone.